Hello everyone, it is my second video that I show you. Okay, and now I am at my grandparents' house. Okay, that is my grandparents' house. Okay, it is the place where I used to live when I was so young. Yes, and I usually come to visit here when I have free time. And then I will show you about everything like some plant, like some tree around my grandparent house. Okay, there are so many trees and there are so many plants that there's planted around their house. Okay, can you see? And it is we call oven. Yeah, it is the oven. It is not the house. Yeah, that's my uncle and my aunt. Okay, it has just been built for 1 month. Okay, and that is we call a well. Yeah, it was built so many years ago, and I used to see that when I was 10 or 11 years old. And nowadays it is 2025. It's still to be here. Okay, and that is a yeah coconut tree, and this one is a banana tree. Okay, and can you look up the sky? Today it's so dark and the weather is so cool. Yeah, and we look at the leaf of the tree are so vibrant green. Yeah, and how about the land? Yeah, land is so much because it just rain. Okay, here it is the countryside of Cambodia. Okay, thank you. See you next video. Thank you.